Welcome once again to our channel, Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here at Universal Studios, and in this video we're basically going to show you all the characters meet and greets that you could do here in Universal Studios, because we want to make a comparison. You know, a lot of people love going to Disney World because of the amount of characters that they can meet, but you could come over here and you meet a bunch of characters, and guess what? With less line. So we're basically gonna show you who you can meet around Universal Studios, so that way that gives you an idea. So when you come here and visit, you get to, you know, collect those memories, you know? Take a picture with them because it lasts longer, record a video for the good memories, and then we're gonna get Kyla to interact with some characters, because that's what I look forward to the most.
Bruh.
But anyways, if you like this type of content where a father puts the teenager through a lot of pain, and family adventure, theme park adventures such as Universal Studios and Disney World, we highly suggest that you stick around because we got a lot to show you. And also we suggest that you
subscribe and smash that like button
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Fam, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat the
Before we move forward, we need a huge favor. We need a favor.
What do we need?
We need a favor.
What's the favorite?
We need everybody to hit subscribe right now, because we are on a mission.
And smash that like button.
We actually in a mission on the road to what, Kyla?
5,000.
5,000 subscribers, and the mission is, and the goal by the end of this summer, please help us to get there for more content like this one. Currently, we happen to be here in Illumination Avenue, and we're gonna show you some of the characters, or the location of the characters that you can find around here. But pretty much you can find character almost in every corner of this theme park.
Yeah.
Alrighty, family, so I'm here in front of the exit of Super Silly Stuff, and of course the entrance of the Minion ride, the Minion Mayhem ride, because inside there you will be able to meet a character. So occasionally you will be able to meet one of the Minions in here, which is outside the ride. I'm assuming that once the new theater opens, new theaters, I mean the Illumination Theater was part of the new construction. I'm not sure if the Minion will be there, but I'm assuming he could be there along with Gru and the girls and Vector and whatever other villain wants to be there. So I'm assuming you will be able to see all the characters. So here in Universal, you just never know who you're gonna meet and when you're gonna meet, but one character that you can meet over here is Hashtag the Panda Bear from the ride here on the Tonight Show, Jimmy Fallon. And normally Hashtag sometimes comes downstairs for pictures, sometimes he just pops from the windows over here. So you
Walking around.
sometimes he walks around. Yeah, you gotta be looking around for him in order to meet him. And if you're looking to meet Marilyn and the Diamond Bellas, they are located in this area in New York, that will come over here, do their show, go away to just see their entertainment. Plus, you get to actually take pictures with them towards the end of the show.
And also, while you're walking through this area, you might spot like some mummies.
Normally, over here you will get some of the mummies, you know. Some of them may be Karen's favorite characters in the entire park.
You guys just have to check them out.
Yeah, so normally there's two guys on stilts, like dressed up like mummies, right? And of course their physiques are very fit. And now they have like a female mummy. I want to say it's like more like Anaxanamu from the movie.
Yeah, it seems
And
like
she's beautiful too. So normally you will get to see them in this area. And one of the coolest characters that you could actually meet over here in Universal Studios happens to be Bumblebee. You could also meet other Transformers. Other than Bumblebee, you could also meet Optimus Prime and Megatron. So look, they all have different times, so you basically have to take a look on this, that way you know. And if you come here on Hollywood Boulevard, you will meet a bunch of characters. And this time, for example, you could meet the movie Madagascar. And keep an eye in this section because a lot of the Madagascar characters continue to come over here, so you're gonna get different. And the last time we came over here, the trolls were here. Forgot telling you, you will also get to meet the Blues Brothers if you go to the show. Also, you get to take some picture with them. Very quick, very cool show to watch. And we decided to make the line to meet Queen Poppy. Queen Poppy!
Poppy, I have a question for you. What's your favorite dance move?
Favorite dance. There you go.
That one?
There you go.
I like that dance.
And how's that song goes for her movie?
What song?
I got the feeling
There you go.
inside my. There you go. So LA today, I see she loves it. Oh, thank you for having us. Bye bye. Thank you, Poppy. It's very fun. Now I gotta meet my hero. My hero, the one and only Homer Simpson.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say Beetlejuice.
No, Homer Simpson. Hello. I just came here to meet my hero, my role model, Homer Simpson. What's going on?
You mean the role model sits on the couch?
There you go.
Burps like crazy?
That's it. He just burped. He just burped. I do the same thing. Yeah, we're equal, man. We like, bro. So meet my Lisa and meet my Bart.
What?
Legit, literally.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they're troublemakers. He was.
Yep.
There you go. There you go. You stay over there. Stay over there. Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting you. You're the man. Planning a vacation can be very exciting, but also very stressful. Sometimes it's hard to plan when you don't have all the answers needed or you're not sure about what process to follow. Trust us when we say it can be very time consuming.
This is the reason why we encourage you to contact us and allow us the opportunity to be your travel agents. Cool Case Adventures is affiliated with PCO Travel, and our main goal is to help you plan your dream vacation so you can create the best memories of your life.
Whether you want to go to Universal Studios Florida or Universal Studios Hollywood, we will be able to assist you planning every step of the way.
We are certified Universal Studios travel agents and recognized as a Universal Preferred Travel Agency, and our knowledge in the parks, restaurants, and hotels can definitely help you with your planning. The best part is that it will not cost you anything extra.
Let's start planning your next adventure. And for now, all you have to do is fill out the questionnaire in the description below, and we will be contacting you right away. I love meeting characters around. Let me check if Scooby-Doo and the gang happens to be here. Just so you guys know, Scooby-Doo and the gang, you can meet them anywhere from this location that way. That's where they normally come, and they're normally trying to resolve mysteries, so you definitely have to look for them. I mean, sometimes they just like Beetlejuice tend to exit this way, but Scooby-Doo and the gang enter and exit that way too. But you normally will be able to find them around over here in this area, of course, in front of the mystery machine, or right behind. They hang out in that corner over there on of the broadcast center for their meet and greets. And I have seen them as far as probably over there, right in the building right next to Burnstone-tacular as well. But they just come and go, Scooby-Doo and the gang. Always fun to meet and greet. Always fun to help them resolve mystery. We have done mysteries with them.
Yes.
Vilma had the kids walking around with her at one time.
Which I don't know why she asked us, because we are horrible at finding stuff. You can ask Mom about that. We can't find anything.
But it was Vilma asking the kids, and the whole Scooby-Doo and the gang were following them around the park, which it was funny that day.
Bad decision. We can't.
Bad
find
decision. Now keep in mind that normally all these characters happen to be in the Kids Zone, but because the Kids Zone is under construction, a lot of them have moved over here, and I want to say, what's her name? Gabby. She's over here in this corner. Lately, we haven't seen her in this corner. And the reason why we're mentioning her is because a lot of time nobody's there. I don't think people.
there except like little kids.
Yeah, well, I don't even think that people realize that she's there. I don't think that even parents know that she's located here, close to Cafe La Bamba, closer to this gate, and also, Kyla, right here in the Hollywood photo op. Normally, they will also have more of the DreamWorks characters. Like last week when we came over here, the penguins from Madagascar happened to be here as well.
Also, last time that we came here, the characters in general from Madagascar were over there in that corner.
Currently not available at this point, but if you want to meet the one and only Beetlejuice, you're gonna be able to find him around this area. Close to this area, he also hangs out by the Mills area and also by the new tribute store of Jurassic Park. That's where he's been standing up lately for pictures around that area as well, and close to the actual Five and Dime store. So now we happen to be here at the Kids Zone area. Here on SpongeBob StorePants, you were able to meet 3 more characters. Who do you meet over here?
You can meet SpongeBob, Squidward, and Patrick.
And Patrick. Also over here, right behind there, where they had the photo op from the movie Back in the Future. They have the train and the DeLorean back there. And usually you're able to find Doc roaming around. And around here is where they normally have Princess Fiona and Shrek, and Puss in Boots happens to be over there as well. So comparing it to Disney, when we look at the Disney app, I think we compared it with Magic Kingdom.
Right.
Magic Kingdom says that you can meet about 25 characters and meet and greets or sightseeing. Over here, alone, we counted how many?
34.
About 34 characters that you can meet.
Potentially.
If they're all here, you know, you will see them on and off. It's not that they're here all day. It's not that you're gonna see them all together. On and off. So for example, you're gonna get to see 3 of the Transformer, the 4 members of the Simpson family, they're here. If the Scooby-Doo gang, all of them are here, you get to see all of them.
But if you have a long trip, you should be able to see most of the characters. If you come here one time, don't expect to see all of them.
Right, I just want to show you guys exactly what we meant. This is the DeLorean time machine, and this is the train. This is where you normally will see Doc roaming around. He could be around this area, or he could be walking this way. Fun fact, if we were to check inside the DeLorean, it should tell us today's date. I don't know if you guys can see that, but on the green it says June 11, 2023, and it's 1 o'clock, currently 1 o'clock. Are you the timekeeper for this ride?
No, I'm just pointing at a sign.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
I've been looking forward to meet you all day.
I don't believe you, but
I was here
I don't
earlier.
believe you
Where
either.
you been?
we were both talking at the same time, and I wasn't listening to you. So what did you say?
Nothing. Can we take a picture with you? Or do we have them to 2:15 for a picture?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, my parole officer, my agent said.
All right, I'll take a picture with you then.
Not weird kids.
Thank you. Beetlejuice. He's always a trip. Really good character. Fun character to me.
Stay weird, kids.
He said he told you to stay weird. See, you just gotta look for them. There's Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. Are you guys resolving mystery right now?
We're trying to get past these monsters. We're trying
Okay.
to look for the rest of the cave.
Can I escort you? I got you.
Sure, man.
I got you, man. I got your.
Like film, huh?
There you go.
Oh, dude.
Let me clear it out for you. Hold on. Dude, there's nobody. Go for it.
All right, Scoop.
They got hot dogs in the other side. Go.
Like so. We're almost there.
Bye-bye. You guys saw me. We were trying to meet Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. Couldn't take a picture with them. However, the rest of the gang is coming. So that's how you get to meet everybody.
Right.
Now, you guys saw me interacting with them because I kind of know that they enter and exit through Five and Dime. So I was able to capture that interaction for you guys of me clearing the building in case there was monsters.
Well, good job.
And then once I gave him the green light, Then they ran, and I also told them there was hot dogs in the other side, so that make them run even faster.
Oh, there you go.
So Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, you can meet them once again in this area, and they just said the rest of the gang is coming. So again, 30 plus characters
Give or take.
in a park that is smaller than Magic Kingdom
Right.
with lesser line.
Yes. And they're closer together.
See, more character has come out. So there you go. You got Betty Boop now over here. Scooby-Doo and the gang came out too. So, Kyla, you want to meet Scooby-Doo and the gang?
Yes.
All right, let's do this.
like, hey there.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, like excellent day, a little hungry, but nothing a Scooby snack can't fix me.
I know. Or hot dogs.
I like hot dogs, but you know what? Let me show you a hot dog. I like this guy right here, man.
Are y'all working on a new mystery?
That's no.
Kind of.
We like we're trying not to. And by
Okay.
we, I mean mostly us.
Okay.
Like they're trying to.
They're trying.
Just have other priorities at the moment.
Okay.
Like we're thinking, oh, hello.
You see the shirt here?
Like, and that's our priority. Like Eggo. He's asking about mysteries that we're doing right now.
About the same. Yeah.
Finding food.
Talking about over here.
Oh yeah.
Totally.
And we said the same thing you said.
Yes, and it alluding to there might be a monster over this way.
The monster there. And that's exactly what we said.
I agree. There's a monster this way. I do
a
agree.
monster somewhere over here.
Oh, somewhere. Yes.
Hmm.
Do you smell a monster?
Yeah.
I smell a monster.
All right,
Waffle.
All right, well,
That was a good one. But anyways, shall we take a picture together? Have a good day. Have a good day, everybody. That was super fun to meet Scooby-Doo and the gang. They're always super fun. The waffle monster.
And we almost had a fight.
Hey, unfortunately, my camera broke down, but at the same time, Scooby and Shaggy almost got into a fight.
Almost got into a fight. All for waffles.
All for waffles, because they said they smell waffles on Kyla and they wanted waffles. Just want to point out to you, like Karen said earlier, she was surprised to not see them in pairs. So there you have it, Homer and Bart Simpson in here. Look, another character we forgot that comes out is Diego. So we totally forgot about him. Best part about meeting all the Madagascar characters, they're always willing to dance. Look at her. Amazing. Kyla, you gotta dance with Gloria. Favorite move, there you go. That's her favorite move. Kyla is, whoa, there you go. And as mentioned before, there's one of the penguins from Madagascar.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys, so there you have it here from Universal Studios, catching up with all the characters, doing some of the meet and greets. That was pretty cool, though. It is unbelievable that until we did this video, we didn't know Universal had so many characters. Like, we see them all the time, but once you start counting, it's over 30 characters.
Almost 40.
Almost 40 characters
36, so.
on such a smaller park, because compared to Disney, they're pretty small.
Yeah.
And I don't think we think that we just take it for granted.
Right.
The amount of characters that you can meet over here compared to Disney. And super fun, less lines, super interactive. Their rotation is faster though.
Wait, so technically there's 38 because we missed the 2 minions that were in, that could be in the ride.
Right, it could be almost 40 characters that potentially you could see in one day, depending on their staffing, depending if everybody's here today. But what a cool time.
That's a lot.
So if you're into character, this is the park to visit.
Don't rule them out. It's not just Disney.
I know, not just Disney, but anyway, guys, I hope we were able to provide you with some important information. It was super fun to be here, but sadly, this adventure has ended. With that said, we got to remind everybody to
Subscribe and smash that like button, turn the above notifications, bing, and feel free to comment down below as number 2.
smile out, be great.
Be cool, and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure. Bye, guys. Boom, boom, boom.
See ya.
Bye.